It is finally October 1st, which means it is not too early to talk about Halloween in the classroom. Okay, so is Halloween my favorite holiday? No, but I absolutely love all the holidays as far as teaching because it gives me an excuse to do something creative, engaging, and fun with my students. So, with that being said, if you're one of my students, you know you're welcome on my channel, but do me a favor and go ahead and skip this video at least until after we have the lesson in person because I really want you to be surprised with everyone else. Okay, now that they're hopefully gone, let's get into the video and what I plan on doing with my students this Halloween. So obviously Halloween is October 31st, which is a Saturday this year, so we are going to celebrate on the 30th. Our school has arranged for a dress-up day, so I'm super excited about that. And I thought it would be fun to do like a kind of like a School of Magic and like Wizards theme in my classroom this year. And so because I am who I am and I'm a little extra, I ordered these off Amazon. They're Harry Potter glasses. Tell me the kids aren't gonna look so cute in these, right? And so, since we will be wizards for the day, I thought it would be really fun if we have spelling class. Get it? So, basically, we're going to be focusing on spelling for Halloween, and I thought it would be fun to make a Google Slide like game type activity, and the goal of this game is going to be earning your wand. At the end of the lesson, each student will have their very own wand that they can take home with them and keep. So, I plan on talking about the items I ordered on Amazon to make all of this happen, the actual assignments my students will complete on October 30th as their Halloween lesson, and a quick tutorial on how I made the wands that my students will actually take home with them. So if a School of Magic sounds like fun, or if you just want to see how I'm implementing it in my classroom this year, stick around. So I really only ordered 2 things from Amazon, and everything else I went and picked up at Michael's. So from Amazon, I got a pack of Harry Potter glasses. Obviously I ordered them in bulk because I needed a lot. I will link it below. I also got a bulk order of chopsticks. I thought about using little like wooden dowels, but I didn't like how the ends were like flat. So if I take a chopstick, you can see that like the end is more rounded, and then it gets a little more narrow on this end. It's still a little flat, but it's much better than like a wooden dowel in my opinion. And so I ordered chopsticks because not only were they more the shape that I was going for, but they were cheaper. So I got all of these for about $5. I think the glasses were like 11 maybe, but 16 bucks. I mean, not bad, not bad. Everything else, like I said, I picked up at Michael's. Here is everything you will need for the project. I've got some chopsticks, a hot glue gun, a lot of hot glue sticks, paintbrushes, and different colors of paint with some Mod Podge for the clear coat at the end. You could use a bunch of different things for the wand itself, but I am using chopsticks. I got these off of Amazon for like $5 and I got a ton in a pack, so plenty for the amount of students I have this year. So to create the designs on the wands themselves, you just take hot glue and glue yourself any pattern you would like. Here you can just see I'm doing some round little discs around the side. The more I did, the more creative I got, and these are 5 I did. So after you have all of your patterns glued on, it is time to paint. You could do any colors you wanted, but I wanted to keep it traditional with brown and then metallic brown and gold. When I was doing my coat of brown, I realized it was not quite as opaque as I wanted it to be, and so I ended up doing 2 coats of the brown. After that second coat of brown paint dried, I went ahead and took some metallic brown and metallic gold, and I just used a dry brush to kind of put some little accents of the metallic onto the wand. It made it look a little extra magical, and I really think it made all the difference with the wands. And once you finish the metallic accents, you want to coat it with Mod Podge to make it smooth and shiny and really just seal everything off nicely. And here are the finished wands. You can see a little bit of Mod Podge on mine. They are not completely dry here, but you get the idea. You know what holding this reminds me of? I'm Riley White, and you're watching Disney Channel. So I'm not entirely sure how the game that I want them to play to earn their wand is going to go, but once they've earned their wand, they're going to get to create some custom spells. This has 2 on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to let them do 1, 2, 3, I don't know. But basically with their wand, they can create a custom spell for it. There's a spot for their spell's name as well as the power it will do. Well guys, that does it for this one. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video with me. Until next time, bye guys.